Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy ombre nail stamp design. So I'm going to use this pretty blue by China Glaze called Combat Blue TS. That's the name. Lavender polish by Mini Manny Moo, which is called lavender, and silver by BMC called iced silver. And I'm going to use my Born Pretty BPL 132 nail plate. I recently got this plate and I love it. I love the abstract look. And I thought adding the lavender and silver and creating an ombre using this design and putting it on top of that blue was just perfect. I just love the whole look of this design. It's really quick and easy. You can do any nail plate you want. You can do any colors you want. I just like this, like I said, color combo. It's really easy and simple to do. And once I was done applying the stamp design on my nails, I just removed the liquid latex, cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. Like I said, this is a really easy design. You can do with any colors you want. I just love how this came out, and I hope I made it easy for you to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. I'm moving my nails around so you can see the colors. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching.